In this video, we'll show you how to format a USB drive larger than 32 gigabytes to FAT32 on Windows. For example, when I format a 64 gigabyte USB drive on Windows, the FAT32 option is not available. This happens because FAT32 has a limit, only supporting partitions up to 32 gigabytes. To format a USB device larger than 32 gigabytes, right-click on the Windows Start icon and open PowerShell or Terminal as an administrator. First, list all the disks connected to your computer. You can identify your USB disk by its size. For instance, on my computer, the USB device is listed as Disk 1. Next, execute this command to erase all data on the disk. Please replace the disk number with the correct one for your device. Please note that selecting the wrong disk can erase all of your data, so select it carefully. Finally, create a new partition and format it as FAT32. In the command, ensure you specify a size no larger than 32 gigabytes. As you can now see, the process has been successful. In disk management, you will observe unallocated space next to the FAT32 partition that has been created. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.